Exploring the Gadaa-system. Unveiling Ancient Wisdom. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to bbc-afaan-oromoo, and today we're diving deep into the fascinating world of the Gadaa-system. What is the Gadaa-system? First things first, what exactly is the Gadaa-system? The Gadaa-system is an indigenous democratic socio-political system of the Oromo people in Ethiopia. It has a rich history, and understanding its principles can offer valuable insights into the traditions of this ancient culture. Origins and history. Now, let's journey back in time to explore the origins and historical significance of the Gadaa-system. How did it come into existence, and what role has it played in shaping the Oromo society? Core principles. The Gadaa-system operates on a set of core principles. Join me as we unravel these principles, including the intricate age-grade system, leadership structures, and the unique way decisions are made within the community. Rituals and ceremonies. Every system comes with its own set of rituals and ceremonies. In this segment, we'll delve into the various rituals associated with the Gadaa system, exploring how these events contributed to the preservation of culture and tradition. Contemporary relevance. While rooted in history, the Gadaa system continues to influence contemporary Oromo society. We'll discuss how this ancient system adapts to the modern world and the challenges it faces in the 21st century. Impact beyond borders. The influence of the Gadaa system extends beyond the Oromo community. Discover its impact on neighboring regions, cultural exchange, and the global recognition it has gained in recent times. As we wrap up today's journey into the Gadaa system, I hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for the rich cultural tapestry it represents. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on bbc-afaan-oromoo. Until next time, I'm Sammy signing off.